Hi there, Jessica here, your Facebook marketing coach. And this week's tip, you do not need to fork out your life savings in order to have someone manage your Facebook ads for you. The reality is, if you're not a big spender on Facebook ads, hiring an expert to manage the ads for you is unlikely to be cost effective for your business. So there are a couple of things you can do so that you're just as successful as another person who has forked out their life savings for a professional ads manager. The first, invest in yourself and your business. There are plenty of online courses, coaching, workshops, conferences available to you. You just need to invest in yourself. And the second, learn the strategies that it takes to promote your business on Facebook so that you're just as successful as everyone else. There is plenty of free content out there. You just need to make the time and go out and find it. So, which leads me to my weekly freebie. If you would like a quick start guide on how to become a better Facebook booster, visit my website jrmedia.com.au and download my free 2-page guide on how to become a better Facebook booster. Until next week.